Price prediction for an Avalanche. One Avalanche/Avax coin costs $9.13 at the moment. In the last 24 hours, it has gone up by 0.59%. The price of Avax was higher at the end of the day 49.47% of the time. The most one Avax has ever been worth is $135.86. That was 1 year and 9 months ago. Right now, the price is down by minus 93.28% from its all-time high. Based on technical price analysis, there are 17 technical indicators, 3 of which say to buy and 12 that say to sell. This means that the short-term forecast is bearish. The $65.77 level is the first big uptrend resistance for Avax. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, is currently at 29.74, which means that prices are low and could rise soon. On the weekly chart, the RSI is at 31.73, which shows that the market is in a natural state. The exponential moving averages show a bearish trend on the daily chart. The price of Avalanche is below all exponential moving averages right now. In the past, the price of Avax on the last day of September was always cheaper than the price at the beginning of the month 3 out of every 4 times. In the last 4 years, March has been the best month for Avalanche. 3 times, the price of Avax at the end of March was higher than when the month began. The worst month is September, because 3 out of every 4 times, the price was lower at the end of September than it was at the beginning. Find out more by looking at the monthly results. There were 2 bull runs for Avalanche. The first all-time high was in September 2020, and Avalanche hit $16.57 soon after. 100.04 days later, the price dropped to $2.94, where it stayed for about a year before the next bull run. Since the last bull run in November 2021, there have been 667 days. The last time Avax reached a new all-time high, it took 422 days. According to our Avalanche price forecast, the price of Avax could reach $10.58 in the next 10 days. Our long-term price forecast for 2025 is $65.82, and our price forecast for 2030 is $116.05. Taking into account all of the past highs and predictions for shorter time frames, the estimate for 2040 is $335.92. The price of an Avalanche is expected to be $17.60 in 2024. Based on what we know, that's the most. Avax for the next few days. Price day. September 19, 2023, Tuesday $9.77. Wednesday, September 20, 2023, $9.80. September 21, 2023, Thursday $9.86. September 22, 2023, Friday $9.88. Saturday, September 23, 2023, $9.97. 24th Sun, September 2023, $10.04. 25 Monday, September 2023, $10.15. September 26, 2023, Tuesday $10.29. Wednesday, September 27, 2023, $10.44. September 28, 2023, $10.58. The predicted price of Avax for tomorrow is $9.77, which is an increase of 7.02% from the current price. On the other hand, the highest estimate for next week is $10.58, which is 5.38% higher than the highest estimate for this week, which was $10.04. The price of an Avalanche in 2025, based on our research into past crypto bull markets, we think that there is a good chance that Avax will have a bull market in 2025. Because of this, we think the price of Avalanche could hit $5.16 in 2025, which is a 620.88% increase from where it is now. In January 2025, $38.21. $59.81 in February 2025. March of 2025, $85.69. April 2025, $84.06 USD. May 2025, $62.12. June 2025, $58.62. July 2025, $72.46. $84.24 in August 2025. $78.71 in September 2025. $131.48 in October 2025. November 2025 will cost $122.84. $114.21 in December 2025. The first big resistance level for Avax is at $10.38. If the price is able to break above this level, the next ones to watch out for are at $12.24 and $14.64. These numbers are important because they may show that prices could go up even more. According to data from CryptoSlate, Avax, Avalanche's native token, recently fell below $10 for the first time since January 2021. This was the first time Avax fell below $10 since then. In the last 24 hours, the price of the cryptocurrency went down by 1.3%, making it worth $9.16. This drop has made Avax's worth go down by 14.5% over the past month and by a big 50.5% over the past year. Why did the price of Avax fall? According to data from Defalama, the fall of Avax has happened at the same time that network activity in the Avalanche ecosystem has gone down. Total value locked, TVL, in Avalanche has dropped from $11 billion in November 2021 to $497 million right now. Notably, the TVL in Avax has also gone down, from 135 million Avax at its peak in May 2022 to 53 million Avax right now. The drop in TVL is a sign of a bigger problem, the fact that there are less people using the Avalanche network. In the last 24 hours, only 30,000 people have been using Avalanche. $1.57 million has come in, $10.8 million has been traded, and only $7,882 has been made in fees. This is very different from how well the network worked at its best. By the end of 2021, the network was able to handle an average of $500 million in transactions every day. In April, the average daily fee was around $100,000, and in early 2022, the number of daily users was over 80,000. Also, the token's planned unlocking has been a big problem, which adds to the pressure to sell the digital asset. To give you a sense of the situation, token unlocks data